90% of the people open their SMSs within the first 3 minutes. And so today we bring you Bold SMS, which helps you send bulk SMS anywhere in the world with no restrictions. You heard me right, no restrictions. So you're gonna jump in right into it. You see how it works from A to Z. So I'm gonna leave you all the links in the description, and it's called boldsms.com. The first thing that you want to take note of, it's a platform that is being loved by a lot of people, and so scammers have taken advantage of this. So they have given us a disclaimer here that avoid scammers, do not pay anyone outside the platform and all that. So the first thing that you want to do is, and in case you want to communicate directly, use the buttons in the right here, chat with them, Telegram, and email. That aside, let's sign up. So we're gonna sign up for free, and you can also watch the demo live here of how the whole platform works. You're gonna sign up for free here. Click on that. You come here to register. I'm gonna put your name here, put your email again. Boom, you are registered. So, and then you receive an email with all the credentials. So I'm gonna refresh this. Here you go. You're gonna receive these credentials. These are my credentials. It gives you the URL, it gives you your email, it gives you your password. And there are a few things that they have said here. Let us protect you. Anyone who tells you to make payment outside the platform is scamming you, just like they have shown us in the website. So second thing is you need to download the Android app from here. So if you have opened this email from your phone, you can click here and download an app. And then there's a video that you can use to watch how the entire process works. So let me come back here. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to download this app in my phone. And then I come to my platform here. And then I want to now sign in. Don't want to register. Let me refresh this so that I already have membership now. I have my email. I pick my password here. Then there, and then sign in. Boom. I'm into this platform now. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to download an app that is going to help you connect your phone to this platform. So this platform sends SMSs via Android enabled phone. Android enabled phone. So how it works is you first connect to your Android phone. You come here to devices, and then you click on add device. So where do you get this QR code? Once you download this app here in your phone, in your Android phone, you will be presented with an option of scanning this QR code. So I'm going to pick my phone here and scan this QR code. So the first thing is I'm going to go to that email, download that app, scan this QR code, and get connected. All right. Just a minute as I do that. Scanning my QR code as we speak. And boom, I should be connected by now. So if I close this and refresh, perfect. My gadget here has been connected. So that is the first step. You need to connect your Android phone to the platform. The next thing that you want to do is if you come to the dashboard, what options do you have in the dashboard? You're able to see the messages that are pending, the scheduled messages, the ones that are in queue, sent, delivered, failed, and all that. So how do you go about running your campaign? So you said You've added the devices. The next thing is you want to create a template. A template is the message that you're sending. So if you come to templates, click on add template, give it a name. And then one of the best thing about this platform is it's able to give you an option of randomizing your content. How does it work? For instance, if you can follow this lead here that they have given you, you want to have something like this. Hey, then hello, hi, then you close. So what happens is that the platform will be able to automatically, when you're sending your SMS, the platform will automatically be able to pick one of these. One person will receive, hey, another person will receive, hello, another person will receive, on and on. And this is very critical because it helps in deliverability. You don't want to be sending the same message over and over again. So that is very critical. And in case in your list you have names, what you do is you put, you open that and then you put name there. And then the system will be able to pick the name that you have in your list. And if you continue, the same applies even in the messaging, not just in the greetings only. For instance, if you want to say something like, have you seen the latest data? Then you can say something different like the just released report or something of that kind. So that's the whole concept about having variation in your message. So the next thing is you want to do is always save your message. All right. So the other thing that you want to do is on contacts. The first thing you want to do here is you want to create your contact list. Give it any name. Then click on create. And then once you're here, you're able now to upload your contact list from an Excel. So you have the option of importing the contacts, and then you can also send the message also from here. And you have the option of adding the unsubscribe link. So how it works is, and you can also add multiple devices. It's very important for me to know that you can be able to add multiple devices to this platform. So you come here to add contacts or import contacts, and then you click on drop Excel here, and they have given us an example here. Let me download this example so that you have a look at how the contact list is supposed to be. All right, so there we go. This is how your list is supposed to be. Name, as you can see it here, and mobile number, as you can see it here. So this is called E164 model of naming. If you are in the US, you want to give it an approach of, it will be +1, the country, I mean the code and all that, and then you put your number there. If you're in the UK, for instance, it will be something like, then you put on the number and all that. If you are in India, it will be plus 91. If you're in France, it will be plus 33. If you are in South Africa, it will be plus 27. On and on and on and on. So depending on your country code. Once you have it there, you want to ensure that you save it in the right format. So let's see the format that you're supposed to save it in. you're supposed to save it in XLXS. So Excel workbook, not in CSV, and then you hit save. Let me use the very same one to save it. Save that. Then I go to the platform, upload contacts, and then click on upload. There you go. All right. So if you check here, you'll be able to see that I have been able to um, upload those contacts. So having said that, the next thing that you want to do is that's about uploading the contacts. The next thing that you want to do is you come here to what we have here in terms of messages. So this is where you're able to see the statistics in terms of the messages you send, and also you can also do your replies from here as well. And then you also have the option of using USSD. You can also do your USSD from here. And also we have this option of using the sender. How the sender works is instead of using this option of sending a message from here, you can use this option of sender. And the option of sender gives you an example, gives you an option of using custom fields. This is where you can use multiple custom fields. You realize when you're working with this section only, contact sending message from here, you don't have a lot of variation in terms of the contact fields. But when you use this option, it gives you the option of having multiple custom fields. So, and if you can look at this, for instance, let's check this one. Let's see what we have here as an example. All right. So this is how the custom field looks like. You see that? For instance, if you want to use different various messages, you use it here. If, for instance, you want to add something like a company, you can add it here. That way, or any other variation that you want to add here. Then always don't forget that you save this as XLS. All right. So back to our platform here. When you click on, you can click on drop file here. Drop Excel file from here, or click to upload. So this is where you upload from. You just click on that and you're able to upload your file, for instance. And then you can also, in case you are running multiple campaigns, you can prioritize which one you want to go first. And also, if you're having multiple devices, you can choose which device that you want to use. And if a device has more than one SIM card, then you will be able to add a SIM card from here. So you come here to messages, you choose your template, the one we created earlier. Or if you don't want to use a template, you can say none, and now you'll be able to create your message from here. So if I were to follow the same lead, just like I was telling you, let me use this. And for instance, you have custom fields other than the name and the mobile number. What do? You just put the percentage in percent, for instance, and then you put the company. If in your Excel you have the company, here you're going to put the company. If there's anything else that you have in the, probably you also have the address. The system will be able to pick the address that you put in your Excel. Once again, if you download this example here, you will be able to see what I mean in regards to how it should look like. Very clear and very straightforward. After that, you just hit send. The other thing that I would wish to bring to our attention is the element of autoresponder. So, how does the autoresponder work? It is a scenario where, in case a person says something in your message, the system has the capacity to trigger a certain message that you want to send. So, if for instance, you're being told here to add a response, if for instance a person says, yes, I am interested, then you tell the system what should the reply be, right? So, and you can have the option of, if the message contains more than contains a certain word, because people reply differently anyway. If the message contains this word, you can always use the separator. If you read this uh, here, you'll be able to see how it will generally do that. For instance, if a person says, yes, I'm interested, or you separate with, or they just say, sure, I'm the other kind. If a message contains any of this, then what is the next message that you're going to add? So that is going to be triggered by the system automatically. The other thing is the API. The system comes with an API. You can be able to get this API and use it in your environment, in a separate environment other than this platform. So, and then you can go ahead and subscribe. They are giving you these plans yearly. You get 2 months for free, or you can go for monthly. And there are no limits to the number of devices you can add. There are no limits to the number of SMSs you can send. And another feature that I highly recommend that you make use of is the element of delay, message delay. So, how this one works is, you don't want to blast your message. So, you want it to be in between a certain range of seconds. So, I usually recommend that put it at between 60 to 120. What this means is, an SMS is being sent out after every minute. And also, there's also a very good feature here I can recommend that you make use of, called sleep time. For instance, you don't want to send SMSs at night. So, what do? You tell the system to sleep, and maybe you want the last message to go at maybe 7 p.m., for instance. So the system at 7 p.m. it will pause, and it will wake up. You want it to wake up at 7 a.m. So during this period, no SMS will be sent. 7 a.m., sorry. No SMS will be sent, but now it resumes after 7:23 a.m. in the morning. So that's the concept of sleep. That is the main feature. These are the main feature I would encourage you to use this, and also this sleep, and also ensure that you have variations in your message. And in case of anything, you can always reach out. The number is in the website, as you have seen. And one last thing is about, if you come to the website here and you go to the features, you'll be able to see what the features are here. In case I've missed anything, you'll be able to see all the features. You can reach out through these contacts. Super swift in response. That one is guaranteed. And in case you face any error, you'll be able to see they have a list of errors that in case a message is failed, they'll tell you why a message has failed, and then you'll be able to take the necessary action. Again, you can send these using an eSIM, not a must that you use a normal physical card. So in that case, what do is you can go here and see the number of approved, eSIM enabled phones. So I hope this has been insightful, and I'm wishing you the very best in your campaigns. And in case of anything, reach out, and we'll be swift to help you. Thank you, and goodbye for now.